So yesterday we have seen causes of failure of earthen dams. In that, the failure of the earthen dam can be grouped into these three groups, three classes. Three types of failures are there. First is hydraulic failures, seepage failure, and structural failure. So in that, we have seen in hydraulic failures, which are about 40% of the earth dam failures occur due to these hydraulic failures, and 35% due to seepage failure, and 25% due to structural failure. In the hydraulic failure, we have seen the failure due to overtopping, erosion of the upstream face, cracking due to frost action, erosion of downstream face by gully formation. Then fifth one is erosion of the upstream toe. Then these are the hydraulic failures, reasons of hydraulic failures. Then seepage failure. Seepage failure due to uncontrolled or concentrated seepage to the dam body or through its foundation, that may lead to piping or slowing of the flowing through the dam, and ultimately the failure of the dam occur. In that, we have seen piping, slowing, piping through foundation, then piping through dam body, then slowing of the downstream toe. These are the three types of seepage failures. Third one is structural failure. About 25% of the dam failures which are occur due to these reasons, structural failures. In that, failure due to sliding of foundation slide. Then second reason due to slide in embankment. These are the two reasons of structural failure. इथपर्यंत आपण पाहिलं होतं. Then design criteria of earthen dams. That we have seen 12 factors, 12 criteria for designing of the earthen dam. Okay. इथपर्यंत समजलं सर्वांना? Any difficulty? समजलं का सर्वांना? समजलं नसेल तर विचारा. Up to this design criteria and the causes of failure. समजलं सर्वांना? So after this seepage analysis of the earthen dam. The causes of failure मध्ये second type of failure is the